Useless facts about Slaughter Monkey lore with B&M. Did you know Slaughter Monkey's golden mask wasn't always his first mask? His first real mask was actually the skull mask that he later gave to Skull Monkey.
Did you know that Skull Monkey was made at the same place as Slaughter Monkey?
Did you know Slaughter Monkey's educational survival tape was made in 1997 of the Slaughter Monkey universe?
Did you know that Slaughter Monkey's name when he was created was 1770?
Did you know you're not subscribed yet? You better subscribe. Did you know that Slaughter Monkey 1 was a year created for the Slaughter Monkey educational survival tape? Yeah, Slaughter Monkey 1 was I made a video I think. So, I think in 1992, and then the educational tape was made in 1997. Yeah, I think that's right.
Did you know the only way to kill Slaughter Monkey is if you take off your his mask and then you dump him in lava? Make sure to subscribe.